So it's our second morning in Vietnam, and we are leaving Da Nang and heading down the coast to Hoi An. So we've checked into our hotel in Hoi An. We're just wandering into the old town to see what's there.
On a big boat to go into a small little boat where they sit in it and spin you around really fast, and then in the evening we're going to set some lanterns off into the river. It's our first full day in Hoi An, and we're about to go get some bikes from our hotel and have a little wander around. So we've just had a little snack at one of the cafes in the rice paddies, and now we are cycling back towards Hoi An along some more rice paddies. Finished chilling at the hotel and now we're about to go back out into Hoi An.